Burn image context menu item missing in Windows 7. My understanding is that in Windows 7 if I right-click an ISO image I should have an option burn image, or if I double-click an ISO I should get a dialog to let me burn the image. Not happening for me. Any ideas why? Edit, 29th April. I do have isoburn.exe in my system32 directory, and it works just fine if I launch it manually from CMD. However, I simply do not have the context menu when I right-click on an ISO file. So my more specific question is, does anyone know how to simply restore this context menu item? An entry in the registry perhaps? But where and what?
The above will work, but an easier fix in Windows 7 is to go to Control Panel, select Default Programs, then select Associate a file type or protocol with the program. This will display a list of file types. Select the ISO file type, then press the Change Program button, then select Windows Disk Image Burner. If it's not in the list, browse to c:/Windows/System32/isoburn-x. Press OK. All done. Right-clicking an ISO file will now display burned disk image.
Have you installed any other CD/DVD burning softwares? If so, it could be that they've associated themselves with ISO files. Try selecting the file, then right-clicking it, then selecting Open With and see if Windows Disk Image Burner is one of the selections. If it is, just select it as the default program to open ISO files with.
I tried the above fix, but ISO wasn't in the list of available file types. Right-clicking on the ISO file, selecting Properties and GT, Open With allowed me to select Windows Disk Image Burner. Afterwards, the context menu contained the correct options and the ISO file type was available in the default programs list.
Good answers and comments, my comprehensive take on this question, and generalizing, may I give a set of instructions building on previous answers to solve the problem. In Windows 7, to force an open with ... to appear on the context menu, if it doesn't already, when right-clicking a file, do the following. Right-click on the file. Choose Properties. At the end of the line which starts, Open with column, click on the Change ... button. Click on the V chevron to open up Other Programs. If the default program is not on the list shown, click on the Browse button. You will now have to search for the utility program that you require to open the file. For example, to process an ISO file, the utility required is Windows Disk Image Burner, and the program file to do this is isoburn.exe, which is in the c:/Windows/System32 folder. Select this file and click OK. This will put an Open With ... on the context menu, and also cause the ISO file to select the Windows Disk Image Burner application as the default. Information on what executable file does what can usually be found by searching the web.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.